everyone on YouTube, GS right here. So in today's video I have some great news coming from the RootHide Jailbreak. You know, the jailbreak that has Jailbreak Detection bypass integrated into it. We're gonna get into that in a second. This video is brought to you by Reboot, a software that allows you to repair your iOS system if it's stuck in recovery mode, boot loop, or it's no longer booting at all. Definitely check the program out in the link below. A free trial is available for both Windows and Mac OS. So the RootHide Jailbreak is basically Dopamine Jailbreak but bundled with code to prevent applications and games from actually seeing that you're jailbroken. Because as I explained in this article in here, definitely a recommended read, it's actually impossible nowadays to install an application and not have jailbreak detection. It's very, very uncommon for applications to not try to detect if you are jailbroken or not. Games do that too. So what RootHide is? Well, it's essentially the Dopamine Jailbreak, but it bundles the code necessary to essentially bypass those checks so that you can still use your normal applications and games and stuff like that. RootHide is essentially the best of both worlds. You can use both tweaks and you can use your applications. What we got today is this update on the APIs and SDK. So the RootHide account said, quote, "We updated the RootHide API/SDK to make it easier to use. It allows your tweak to perform at its best performance and stability on RootHide, and it's now automatically compatible with building rootful or rootless packages. Previously, you may have nested RootHide and rootless APIs and macros in one project, but now it's no longer necessary." And they posted this repo on GitHub, which contains a lot of instructions on how to compile RootHide, how to build the packages, various things about how the jailbreak works, how the bypass detection works, stuff like that. So this helps a lot the jailbreak tweak developers, especially those who want to port their tweaks for the RootHide jailbreak, because it's a different architecture, slightly different architecture, but still this makes the tweaks ported for RootHide much better. As they say here, you have the best performance and stability on RootHide. So this is important because right now the jailbreak community is quite fragmented. You have rootless jailbreaks, you have rootful jailbreaks, you have RootHide itself, which is a different architecture altogether. So right now it does create a lot of fragmentation in the community, and it's best if all of them work well. If you install a tweak, it should work well on all these platforms. So this does exactly that. It's more of an update for the tweak developers than for you as a user, but you as the user is the one who benefits from it because you get better tweaks. You get tweaks that work better on your device with RootHide while still maintaining the ability to essentially bypass the jailbreak detection. I definitely recommend you to install RootHide if you have problems with applications detecting your jailbreak. It's a great dopamine alternative. So yeah, check out this article for more information about the compatible devices. And if you cannot use this one, in this article we also mention a couple of important tweaks that can essentially replace this jailbreak if you don't have a compatible device. So that would be Choicy, A bypass, current bypass, vNode bypass, stuff like that. Thank you for watching. I am GS. Now, till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.